Welcome to the video Vort. Vayichan Sham Yisrael neged Ahar, the Jewish people stood at Har Sinai opposite the mountain. Rashi tells us neged Ahar means Mizrach. They were on the east side of the mountain. Rashi further says at the end of his statement, citing the Mechilta, Panim el Mizrach. They were facing eastward. Now this fact seems to be on the one hand entirely unnecessary, and on the other hand entirely self-evident. It's self-evident because the Jewish people came out of Mitzrayim, they were marching from west to east. What's the likelihood that they passed the mountain? Of course, they were standing on the east side of the mountain, waiting to engage Hashem for Matan Torah, as was the plan. On the other hand, the point seems to be entirely unnecessary. Who really cares whether they were on the east, the west, the north, or the south? How does that advance the story of Matan Torah? Rabbi Ben Zion Keganoff, in the name of Rabbi Oscar Fassman, suggests the following. Rashi is telling us two things here. One is the directional statement. They were standing Mizrach on the east side of the mountain. And the other is an attitudinal statement. They were Panim el Mizrach. They were facing eastward. They were looking eastward to where the sun rises, to the dawn of a new day. Bnei Yisrael had just come out of Mitzrayim from persecution and oppression. And now they were standing at Har Sinai waiting for Matan Torah, and they saw their engagement with Torah, Panim el Mizrach, facing eastward with the hope, the joy, the optimism, seeing Matan Torah as a symbol of a bright future for the Jewish people. And that is not an insignificant point. For how often do perhaps we in our own experience see our engagement of Torah and experience the old Torah, the burden of the yoke of the Torah, rather than seeing the joy, the hope, the optimism, the bright future that the Torah promises, that engaging Torah promises for us. This is what Klal Yisrael were doing at Har Sinai, and this is the paradigm that the Torah sets forth for each and every one of us. Let us be blessed, let HaKadosh Baruch Hu bless us with the opportunity not only to experience the old Torah, but like our forebears all those millennia ago, to Panim el Mizrach, to see the Torah as a bright future of hope and optimism for each of us. Good Shabbos.